So in this Pages tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to italicize text here in the Pages application. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Pages document. Once that is done, for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and type in, this is text that is not italicized. So as you can tell, the text is normal, not italicized whatsoever. Now if you want to type in, for example, in all italicized, text is pretty straightforward. Go to the right hand side of your screen, press on the I that's slanted right here in between the U and the B. If you were to hover over top of it, it says make text italic. Simply just press on that. This time when you're texting, or when you're writing, I guess it'll say this is text when italicized, just like that. So as you can tell, the text that I typed is now italicized. And if you wanted to italicize a text or a word that already isn't, simply just highlight the word you're looking to italicize right here, do the exact same thing, go over to the I, press on the I. Now the word italicized in this example is italicized, as you can tell. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple, but this is how to italicize text here in the Pages application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.